Hello friends, today we are going to write program for getting reverse of any string. So for getting reverse of any string, what we will do, we will create a new string, right? Suppose we have created new string with name new str, and what we will do, we will take each and every character of our string and we will concatenate that string is new string, that character in new string. Suppose our string is abcd, so what we will do, we will take last character of this string as d and we will add this d into our new string. Again what we will do, we will again take second last character of this string and we will again add this character into new string, right? See, we will repeat same process until our we will reach at last character of this string. So we will take b and a also. So b and we will take a and we will add is a in it. So we in last, when we will reach last character, we will get reverse of this string. So let's program for this. You can see that we have given a string as abcd, right? And what we have to do, we have one reverse variable reverse str and we have called one function get reverse of a string function, and we are going to send our string to this function and this function will return new string as reverse of that string. So let's complete this function. So this is our function and this is taking one string str, so we have to get reverse of this str and we have to return to that main function. So first we will create a new string, right? So a string new str, and in the starting we will put empty, and now what we have to do, we will run loop from last index of this string to first index, and we will concatenate that each and every character of that string into new string. So let's run for. So for we will start int I equals, so we will start from last index of the string side. So we will put we will put str dot length. It will give us last total number of length of this string. So we will know that last index of any string is that total number of length minus 1. So in I it will store last index of this string. And we have to run this I until we will get 0, until we have to get 0 also, and we will decrement this I. And inside this loop what we have to do, we have concatenate each and every character of this string into new string. So we will put that new str is equals new str plus, and we have to take character of this string, so we will write str dot char I, right? So it will take each and every character of this string and it will concatenate into new string, and in last what we have to do, we have to return this new string. So we will return new str, right? So this is our function. So what it is doing, this function is taking one string and it is returning reverse of that string, right? So for finding reverse, we can say that we will start loop from last index to first index. It means last index to 0, and we will concatenate each and every character of that string into new string, right? And in last we are returning this new string. So let's run this program. So we are not getting any output, right? Because we have done one mistake, right? We have to write I is greater or equal to 0, right? So let's run again this program. So you can see that we get reverse of that string, right? Suppose if we will write radar anything, radar, so if we will print, it's returning, because if we will reverse this number, it will also be as radar, radar. So it is printing, right? Same if we will write reverse of any string like 1 2 3 4 5, right? So it will print also 5 4 3 2 1, because here you cannot say that this is numeric value. This is not a numeric value. When we are putting any numeric value into the dual quotes, it means that is a string value. So you can see that this function is returning reverse of this number, right? So thank you so much. If you have any query or any problem, you can comment below. You can reach out with us as WhatsApp number, or you can also email with us, right? So thank you so much.